I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about Taylor Elevate. Taylor Elevate is a brand new product that our lab developed for the installation of LVP and LVT on vertical surfaces such as walls. Now this is designed to use with thin gauge LVT, 2 millimeter or thinner. You don't want to use it with thick gauge product. The LVT should also have a smooth back. The wall should be smooth. You don't want to have a heavy texture on it that would actually impede bonding to the surface. And it should be primed or painted with a flat paint. Now before you start installing your LVT, you're going to want to line everything out. You're going to want to mark your starter lines and your ends just so you know exactly where you're going to be positioning your planks. I also recommend pre-cutting your planks. You apply your Taylor Elevate using a 3/8 inch nap roller. The adhesive will dry translucent so you'll be able to see your lines right through it. When you start to install your planks, make certain that they're positioned exactly where you want them, because this is a pressure sensitive adhesive, but it's extremely aggressive. And what would happen when you go to take it off to reposition it, you're going to take the paper right off of the face of the drywall. So this is going to be a very easy installation as long as you plan ahead. Now first you'll do your lines like I said, you apply your adhesive, and then you place your planks into place. When you get them in place, you do want to roll your wall. We recommend using a hand roller like a Crane 333 hand roller or a similar roller to embed the planks down into the tacky adhesive. Now, one thing that we do stipulate with Taylor Elevate is we don't want to use it in wet areas like showers and things like that. So you could use it for backsplashes, you can use it for accent walls and things like that, but we don't want it in direct sunlight and we don't want it in areas that would be exposed to direct water. Remember, at Taylor, we're with you every step.